Hello, it's DMV Test Buddy again. Sometimes situations on the roads and the chaos can be perceived incorrectly. This is due to inattention or absent-mindedness. The reason is always the same: a little observation and little experience. The more you solve such problems as a beginner, the sooner it will become much easier for you to navigate such situations on the road. Let's try to check how quickly you can solve this problem. So, look carefully at the screen. What should you do when turning right? A. Go through the intersection first. B. Give way only to a passenger car. C. Give way to a passenger car and a motorcycle. I give you 10 seconds to answer this question. So let's figure it out. In order to quickly solve the problem, we must carefully examine the picture. In it, we see two cars and a motorcycle at intersection. The motorcycle is going to turn left. The white car, judging by everything, will go straight. Well, we need to go right. But what kind of intersection is this? Pay attention to the priority signs or traffic lights. In this case, there are no signs or traffic lights, from which we can conclude that we are at an unregulated intersection of equal roads. Thus, we understand that we have priority traffic compared to a passenger car, since we are its obstacle on the right. We also have an advantage over a motorcycle, since it will turn left. Accordingly, having entered the intersection, it is obliged to let vehicles moving in the opposite direction pass. Thus, the correct answer is A. So, confess, who of you quickly answered correctly? Let's discuss the situation in the comments.